Hey beauties, it's Riri. If you're new here, I'm an over 40 lover of all things beauty, and I'm pretty obsessed with indie brand makeup. If that sounds like your cup of tea, please consider subscribing and giving the video a thumbs up. And if you want to see more of me, why wouldn't you? Then after you subscribe, tap the notification bell so you never miss a new upload. We're quickly diving in. We are jumping into our Ulta Beauty, the 12 Days of Beauty Advent Calendar. I love Advent calendars. I love mystery boxes. I love to just be surprised. No, I did not look at anything that's in here. That's really hard when you're shopping for Advent calendars to not actually look and see what's in the box. I'm trying to just stall because I can't get the box open. So just give me 1 second. And this was $22. I think it was on sale. I remember it being on sale, maybe, possibly. If not, it was $22, but you can also shop sales, you can use points, you can use coupons. I really like how this looks. It's so cute, you guys. I honestly would unwrap this, like unpackage it, and just hang it up for somebody to get. And I really love, I've said this with the other advent calendars that I've done thus far for the season, I like that it's not overtly Christmas, it's not overtly holiday. It's literally more just like winter-esque. I think it's beautiful, and I like the layout of it. We are going to obviously start with box number 1. I'm trying not to mess it up, but chances are I'm going to mess it up. So I'm really sorry. All right, number 1. It seems to be wrapped up pretty nicely. And I like that the packaging goes with this. I'm going to tell you right now, it feels cheap. Cheap, cheap. It is a lipstick. Oh, that is a beautiful freaking color. I haven't tried a whole lot of Ulta Beauty makeup. Ulta Beauty Ultra Fine Brow Pencil or whatever it's called. I've gone through probably 15 plus of those. Phenomenal, phenomenal product. Some stuff has been a miss. So I'm not really sure if y'all want to see a look with this. If you have enough to maybe try to do a look, y'all let me know. If I feel like there's not enough with the rest of my advent calendars, if there's not enough for me to kind of test it out for you guys, or get thoughts, then everything's just gonna go to you. Okay, so it says Ulta Beauty. It is pink, and it literally doesn't say anything else. It just says made in China. There's no shade. There's no color. There may be on the box. I'm not quite sure. I feel like I have enough nudes, even though this looks really, really beautiful, and like it is my vibe, but I don't need it. So we're going to put that to the side for you guys. Box number 2. I'm just going to rip into them, y'all. Sorry. Next, I like that it's consistent. This is pink. It is an eyeshadow duo again. Oh, this actually says something. It says Spacey and Galaxy. And let's see. Ooh, those are really pretty. Not really colors that I'm going to use, but they're not going to go to waste. All right, day number 3. We have an Ulta Beauty Brow Gel. It does not say a color or anything like that. I'm going to assume it's probably clear, and it is a little teeny tiny mini. It feels incredibly, incredibly cheap. I think I'm, based on just the first few days, I probably would recommend maybe using points or getting this on sale. So far, it's not my favorite type of stuff, and they're all teeny, 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 tiny. Next is an Ulta Beauty Cream eyeshadow in a beautiful gold color. I do like that. It's really pretty. Next up, and I mean, it's a $25 calendar, you know, or $22 calendar, and the value's supposed to be at around 70 bucks. We'll see if I feel like we get that. So I'm not going to shit on it, but it does feel cheap. This is cute. Trying to look kind of like Lunar Beauty, or is it Dragon Beauty? One of them's shaped like this. It is a tinted lip oil. That is what that looks like. I think I'm actually going to keep this. Y'all know I love lip oil, so I do want to try it real quick. Oh! I had a little bit of something on my lips, but okay. It's not sticky. All right, I like that. That's pretty cool. Let me put it over here with my everyday stuff. We are on to box number 6, and I would be showing it to y'all, but literally I'm just going around, and it's a mess. All right, day number 6 is also wrapped up. It is another Ulta Beauty. Why am I saying Ulta Beauty? Everything in the Ulta Beauty advent calendar is from Ulta Beauty. Moving on. It's in the shade Gleam and Shine Bright. So let me see what these look like. Also very pretty, but not really colors that I'm going to reach for. All right. Day number 7. What do you guys think so far? Comment down below. We're halfway. Let me know, so far, do you think it's worth our $22? It is the overnight lip mask. I have enough. I would keep this because y'all know I'm obsessed with overnight lip masks as well. But I'm going to put it over here for you guys. Day number 8. I will say I like the packaging. I like that you can hang it up. It's more like a wreath. Everything is cohesive and consistent throughout. Oh, that's a really pretty color. This is a lip gloss. I'll put that over here for you guys as well. And if you're a pink lover like myself, you might really like the aesthetic. Day number 9 is a mattifying face primer. Clearly, I don't need that. My skin is dry, as dry can be. Day number 10, another, no, I thought it was another eyeshadow. It is a highlighter in whatever shade you want it to be. Ooh, okay, that's really pretty. Dang it, don't want to keep this. It's so pretty. Nope, I'm not gonna do it. It's for you guys. Not gonna do it. And before anybody's like, why would you buy it if you're not going to keep stuff? I'm buying advent calendars per you guys' request so that I can show you, like, do I think that it's trash or a treasure? Should you buy it or save your money? And I don't like to waste things. So if I know I'm not going to use it, of course I'm going to pass it along. All right. That is itty bitty. It's just an eyeliner. I don't want to open it, so I can't really tell what color or anything it is. You'll find out if you win. I mean, everything is cute. I feel like, personally speaking, let me do day 12, and then I'll say that. Or while I'm doing day 12. Personally speaking, I feel like this is more geared towards children or teens, maybe, or maybe a newbie. Cute little beauty sponge. I'll put that in here as well. I will say, as somebody that tests and reviews a lot of makeup, and I have a lot of makeup, I wouldn't want this as a gift. So you guys can take that with a grain of salt. Take it however you wish to take it. Oops, sorry about that. And again, I'm not trying to, you know, trash the brand or anything like that. These could be phenomenal products. Maybe they are. I'm not sure. I just based on the color, the size of all the products and stuff like that. I mean, literally, you guys, the entire calendar, everything fits pretty much in one hand. Like, this is it. This is your calendar. And it's incredibly, it's very lightweight. And they just feel like cheaper products. Of the 3 advent calendars we've done thus far, this is my least favorite. I'm going to say that. But there are also positives that go with it. And again, these could be fantastic, phenomenal, incredible, magical, magically delicious products. I don't know, and I cannot attest to that. Okay. Comment down below what your favorite thing was, or make any comment. Did you like it? Did you hate it? Do you want the stuff? If you want to be entered, just leave a comment. You must be 18, you must be in the US, please, and you must be subscribed and publicly subscribed, please. All rules are always in the description box. I love you, beauties. Stay happy, healthy, and safe. And of course, be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties. Good luck.